Hello everyone, welcome. This printer is HP LaserJet M140we. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up with USB cable. So if you take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer, connect the USB cable to this port. Take the other end of the USB cable, connect it to your laptop or PC, and you will hear a tune to show you that it recognizes the connection. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. So go to Windows, Start, go to Settings, then go to Printers and Scanners. The next thing to do is you need to add device. So select add device, then you wait. So now it's searching for available device. So scroll down and look for HP LaserJet M139/M142. Then you select on it, and it's showing us idle. The printer status is idle. So we're going to print a test page. So print test page. There we go. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP LaserJet MFP M139/M142 on laptop port 00S, data raw, and port is USB 00X. Print processor, WinPrint, and window. So this is how to connect this printer to your laptop using a USB cable and print out a test page. Thank you very much indeed.